So to generate a dot plot using Desmos, the first thing you want to do is enter your data in a list. To do a list, you simply type a capital letter equal and then an open bracket, and then you copy and paste your data values in there or just simply type them in. Notice I have 25 data values here. Then on the next line, you literally type the word dot plot, followed by a parenthesis and then the list name. And then this is the important part. You want to put a comma and then the width of the bin, something that makes sense for scaling. Since my values here are from 0 to 0.8, I'm going to make my bin width 0.1. And notice the graph looks pretty scrunched up. If you click that magnifying glass in the bottom left-hand corner, it will automatically scale the axis and fit the screen. Also, underneath, you see X values that should be on exact, and the bin alignment should be on center.